Hey guys, it's Ann here. In this NextDrive review, I'm going to show you a brand new software that you're able to store unlimited files in the cloud that is going to replace your iCloud, Dropbox, Google Drive and OneDrive in a single app with a low one-time price. Make sure you stay to this end of this review as I'm going to show you a detailed demo of this software and the different upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. You will see a link below this video. If you click on the link, you're going to see all of the special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as it really helps my YouTube channel. And do make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. And I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's have a look at the bonus page. As you can see, these are some of the exclusive bonuses that will be available during this special launch. And if you decide to purchase from my link, all of these exclusive bonuses will be right inside your Borrow Plus account waiting for you after you purchase the NextDrive software. Let's do a walkthrough together on the NextDrive sales page. It's the brand new software that will help you to store, backup, share and host unlimited files in a cloud with a low one-time price. And with the NextDrive, you can upload any files, documents and folders of your choice by using simply the drag and drop approach. And you can also have the shareable links to share anywhere that you want. You have the one-click sharing through email. You can log in and access from anywhere at any device at any time. With the NextDrive, it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into NextDrive from any device of your choice. Step 2, drag and drop the files to NextDrive and you can start uploading. Step 3, share your content with anyone without ever losing it. And these are some of the common problems that people are facing with storage nowadays. Cloud storage is getting expensive and people are paying hundreds of dollars every single year for only having access to limited cloud storage. And also restriction on the data access, whereby due to the limitation on the number of devices that is allowed to access on the online storage. And also your data might be exposed and shared with the advertisers as well. And this is where the NextDrive comes into the picture, whereby you can store and host unlimited files. You only pay one-time low payment and it's restriction free and it will secure your data without any third-party interference. And also you can share your files on social media and anywhere with just one-click share links. And you can preview your file and scan for the info you need without needing to download. And you can host videos, audios, images and enjoy lightning fast upload speeds. And it's compatible with iOS, Android and Windows as well. And NextDrive is fit for beginners who wants to shift from physical storage of documents, pictures and videos, or a Dropbox subscriber who is paying high fees for limited storage, or even a Google Drive user who is unknowingly sharing precious information with the advertisers, afraid of losing your data to ransomware, tired of long wait time and uploading of content on website, and also done with spending money, time and energy trying to store effectively. And this is where the NextDrive will solve all your headaches that you are facing, whereby no time wasted searching for files, no storage full headaches, no lost file that needs to be recreated, no time spent compressing large files to get them fit perfectly, no monthly fees, yearly fees or additional charges. No need to rely on Dropbox, OneDrive that will have to spend expensive fees, or even Google Drive that will share your private information with the advertisers. And also no waiting long hours for a single file to be downloaded or uploaded. Let's have a look at the comparison of NextDrive with the other online storage apps such as Google Cloud, Dropbox and iCloud. With the NextDrive, it has the unlimited online storage, unlimited number of files, it has access to file preview, link sharing, file encryption, photos and video backup, send through email option, and background uploading. And all of these features comes only with a one-time low payment fee. And as you can see, NextDrive is a crystal clear choice with its many powerful unlimited features in the brand new software. And the NextDrive comes with the 30 days money back guarantee. And you can always test drive the software, test drive the product, and you are back with the money back guarantee. And next, I will show you a detailed demo of this software and I'll come back to you showing you the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. And I'll see you after this. Let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase or to upgrade your front-end product. First OTO is the NextDrive Pro. You can remove all limits from your NextDrive account, access to 100% protection of data, upload multiple files, download not only files but entire folder as a zip file, by adding security layers by having password to make them private or public. Preview your file to quickly scan without needing to download. Enable watermarking on preview files, having a detailed file statistics with daily, weekly and monthly downloads. Access to 24/7 premium support and a commercial license to magnetize your profits. Second OTO is the next-gen email marketing tool. By sending unlimited emails, import unlimited email lists, built-in SMTP, import without hassle of verification or double opt-in. Third OTO is the next-gen website builder. You can choose from 1000 plus done for your website templates, live editing, connect to your own domain to publish your sites, no hosting and no monthly cost. Export your site to upload to your own hosting and an advanced drag and drop editor. Fourth OTO is the next-gen text-to-speech software. By generating human-like natural voices from your text, having a multilingual access to support 64 languages, include 400 plus different voices. And the fifth OTO is the NextDrive reseller. By having to resell NextDrive as your own product and to keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Altogether, there are 5 OTOs to the NextDrive software. Thank you for watching my review. If you want to check out NextDrive, please click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button and bell notification, as it really helps my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!